Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. For those who are new, thank you for coming through, and for all those who are returning, thank you for staying true to this channel. Thank you for your support. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to manage an account in Jira or Jira software. For those who don't know Jira is simply a software that allows for issue tracking and project management. It helps to connect a client or customer to a service provider so that they are able to look in on a project. It also helps teams to collaborate on a project, being able to manage different stages of a project. That is actually what Jira is used for. And for those who don't know, Jira, it is part of a product or the product of an Australian company called Atlassian. Right. So let's go into how to get Jira. For those who don't use Jira already, who would like to start using Jira, you can go simply to the web and get a free account from Jira. Now, if you're using Jira as a staff of a company, you should have your Jira account set up already and with the sign in ready. So if you haven't signed into Jira yet or signed up for an account in Jira, then you should get one and sign in to be able to follow this video. Now, when you sign in, this is what you get in your account. It looks something like this. Once you set up your account, it looks like this. Here you can see your work projects, filters, dashboards, people, apps, create. And you also can see your profile here and notifications tab, help, settings, and all that. Now, to be able to manage the one's Jira account, now you just simply go to the right hand corner of your screen here and click on where you see your profile and settings. Click right there, and you see an option here to manage account. Now, if we go there, I'll show you the things that you can do on this interface. Now, through this interface, you're able to add your full name, your public name. So if, for example, you don't want, you want this is the name that displays to everybody who looks at your profile from your establishment. So this can be different to this one if you choose to. This is your job role. Here, my job role is customer support manager. Is just for the purpose of this video. And then going further on, you can add your department here. Here, let's say if I put project management department, you can write that here. See, departments, let's see. You see, you click on this. Once you do that here, it comes to stay and it tells you you've updated your department. You see, it alerts you exactly on the changes that you're making right away. Going further on, you can put the name of your organization here. You can do that and also put your location here, and your local time can be set as well. It says here that I have not set my time zone yet, so I can manage my time zone before I'm able to set my local time. So that's that. It's quite simple to use here. And then it also has a different column as well that tells you who can see the details you set here. So for my account, it's not allowing me to change these ones for the public name, the full name, the job title, department, organization, but it allows me to change who's able to see my location here. So I can make it like anyone or only me. So make it private, that only me. Now I don't want to change that, but you can choose to change that if you want to. So that's how to manage this aspect of the profile. Going further on, you can say here your email. Let's say I'm currently this is my email, the email that I'm linked that links me to this account. But I could say maybe I don't want this email anymore. I want some other email to be linked to the account. I can enter the new email here and I'll receive a message in that email to show that I have requested that it be linked to my Jira software account. Now, if for instance I want to go further on with the management of this account, I can change my password here and choose the visibility here in order to see my passwords and get it right. I can do that if I wanted to. I can add a two-step verification here, right below here. This is under security, by the way, just so you know. And then moving on, you see that here it gives me account preferences here. Tells me I would like to change my language, the various languages here. Jira is quite flexible with that, so you can change it to whatever language you speak or you're able to use on Jira. Mine is English, so I'll leave it as English. I can also edit my time zone here, which I don't want to right now, but you can do that. Choose your time zone, right? Mine should be like Eastern time, Eastern time, US Eastern time. This is mine here. Uh, Let me leave that alone. I can also go ahead to delete my account. Let's say I don't want to use Jira anymore. I can delete my account here. The button here says delete. It says here when you delete your account, you lose access to Atlassian account services, and we permanently delete your personal data. You can cancel the deletion within 14 days. So it's quite good. It gives you 2 weeks to reconsider if you want to before it deletes your account finally. It also gives you a list of connected apps here to your account. Here, I don't have any apps connected as you can see, so that's okay. But if you did, you would see all the apps that are connected here. Right. So going on to the next is product. In products here, you can see here you can manage language, time zone, notification settings, keyboard shortcuts, and editor settings for Confluence. You can also manage language, time zone, issue watching, and notification settings for Jira or sign up for Jira Labs here. You can do all this here in the product. So it depends on what your needs are. But these are the important tabs that you have to focus on if you're trying to manage a Jira account. So if we were to go back to our previous page here, we can see that this is the layout of a Jira page, a generic layout of a Jira page here. And then yours could have more projects here, but that would because your company has probably got more projects here. So you can see all that here. You can see here view all projects. Yes, so that's in a nutshell how to manage your Jira account here by going to the profile and then to the manage account to sort that all out. If you're done with Jira, let's say you want to log out of your account, the logout is right here. You can log out right here with the last button here says says log out. So that's how to manage your Jira account in a nutshell, guys. So thank you for watching the video so far, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this was helpful. I'll make further on Jira videos to help us and you the viewer manage your account properly and projects within the account. Thank you for watching once more, and bye for now.